Hey, Algebra 2, we're multiplying polynomials today. We are in lesson 4.3, multiplying polynomials, and our essential question is, can you multiply polynomials? Remember, a monomial is one term, a binomial is two terms, and a trinomial is three terms, and we call all of these polynomials. There are some special products that we need to know. Remember that a plus b, all of this squared, is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. We do have to FOIL these. A lot of people mistake these and just tell me the outers and forget to do the outer, they just tell me like a squared plus b squared. But remember, we have to take the outer and inner to get that 2ab. So, all right, the next thing is a minus b, so this is almost like the a plus b, but notice this is going to be a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. And again, with these, we can just FOIL, so we're just going to FOIL those. Now, this is going to be a special case scenario when I have a plus b and a minus b. Notice the terms in the middle are different, same exact numbers, different signs, a positive and a negative. And notice when I do the outer and inner, the outers and inners cancel out. So this is a squared minus b squared. So let's look at a few examples of these. This is a plus sign. My students always ask me. This is 4s plus 3t squared. Remember that this is saying 4s plus 3t times itself. So first terms. 4s times 4s is 16s squared. Outer terms will be 12s. Inner terms will also be, I forgot the t, 12st. It will also be 12st. And my last terms are 9t squared. When I add the like terms, my final answer is 16s squared plus 24 st plus 9t squared. Now, if we look back, remember it said that we had to have 2ab. Well, notice if I took the a times the b, 4s times 3t is 12, and we're doubling that, and that's where we get the 24. All right, let's carry on. 3x minus 5 quantity squared. Again, we're taking this times itself, and we're going to do first terms. 3x times 3x is 9x squared. Outer terms, negative 15x. Inner terms, negative 15x. Last terms, positive 25. When I add like terms, 9x squared minus 30x plus 25. And you probably remember how to FOIL from Algebra 1, but don't forget this is a little tricky when they show you it with the quantity squared, because you guys sometimes forget. So don't forget about those outer and inner terms. The last one is super fun because the outers and inners cancel. So when I multiply the first terms, I get 4p squared. The outer terms are negative 6pq. The inner terms are positive 6pq. And my last terms are negative 9q squared. So notice that the 6pq and the negative 6pq cancel out. And my final answer is 4p squared minus 9q squared. How are you doing so far? The last thing that I really need to go over is when I have a binomial, two terms, times a trinomial, three terms. Notice we're going to take this 3x and multiply it through all three terms. So we're going to do that one first. 3x cubed plus 6x squared minus 18x. And now we're going to take this 1 and multiply it through all three terms. x squared plus 2x minus 6. When I add down, 3x cubed, 6 and invisible 1 is 7x squared. A negative 18x and a positive 2x is negative 16x. And my last term is a negative 6. Great job.